Welcome, I'm Dr. Melina Roberts, and I want to talk about arthritis. Arthritis literally means that there's inflammation in the joints. Now, anytime anyone is experiencing arthritis, what we need to do is we need to consider, are we consuming enough of the essential nutrients that the body needs in order to try to allow the body to heal? Are we consuming those nutrients that those joints need in order to do the proper amount of healing? Now, one of the big ones that you want to start with is you want to start with nightshades, because there's a large percentage of the population that actually has a sensitivity to the nightshade vegetables. And so those nightshade vegetables are potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant. So with those people who are sensitive to those nightshade vegetables, when they're consuming it, they can experience arthritis pain. Now, the great experiment that you can do is to completely avoid those nightshade vegetables for 1 month. And if you notice an improvement in your arthritis symptoms, then you are likely a person who's sensitive to those nightshade vegetables and should be avoiding those nightshades. So this isn't for everyone, but I would say that if you're experiencing arthritis pain, this is an excellent tactic for you to do in order to try to heal that arthritis and really be more comfortable and be able to have less inflammation in your joints and be able to be more active because you're not experiencing that pain in your joints. Now, the second thing that we could be doing to treat arthritis is to be increasing those antioxidant-rich foods. So those antioxidant-rich foods are really in all of our vegetables and fruits. But some of the places where you're going to see it the most, or which are great antioxidant foods, are going to be your green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach. You're also going to find it in your tart cherries, in berries in general, in green tea. These are all foods that are really high in antioxidants. And what the antioxidants help to do is they actually help to neutralize all of that oxidation that's happening in the body. And that oxidation is sort of what we call like internal rust. It's some breakdown of some tissues and cells in the body. And when you have that breakdown, that's when you can have a lot of inflammation and pain. But when we can neutralize that with some antioxidants, what we help to do is we help to allow the body to be able to do a lot of that repair when we neutralize those free radicals in the body and neutralize that oxidative damage that's happening in the body. So antioxidant-rich foods can be extremely beneficial. So the third thing that we can be doing is we can be taking in sulfur-containing foods. And by taking in those sulfur-containing foods actually help to give your body the building blocks in order to start doing the repair of connective tissue, cartilage, bones. And the other thing that these sulfur-containing foods help to do is they help to support the detoxification pathways. And by doing this, this helps to actually move that toxic load out of the body. Some of these sulfur-containing foods are garlic, onions, cabbage, asparagus. So these are things that we can be incorporating into our diet in order to work on helping to heal any of your arthritis pains. Now, the fourth thing that we could be doing is to incorporate healthy fats into our diet. So what the healthy fats help to do is they help to decrease the inflammation in our system, and they also give your body the building blocks to help do the repair, because every cell is made up of these fatty acids. So these healthy fats. So some of those healthy fats will be from fish, like your salmon, halibut, tuna. We can get them from nuts, all those nuts except for peanuts. I don't put the peanuts into that healthy fat category. And then the other things we can be doing is nuts, seeds, and avocados, and some of those healthy oils like hemp oils, flax oil. All of those things can actually be beneficial for helping to treat arthritis. So the fifth way that we can be addressing arthritis is by consuming collagen. So by taking in collagen through a food source or through a supplement, really what that helps do is it actually literally gives your body the building blocks in order to do the repair of those joints. So consuming collagen is extremely beneficial for treating arthritis. The sixth way that we could be addressing and treating arthritis is by consuming bone broth, because bone broth is really rich in minerals, and these will be the minerals that will help your body to do the repair and give your body a lot of those building blocks to properly repair our joints and help to heal arthritis. So I hope that this will help, and I hope that what you'll do is you'll start to incorporate all of these foods into your diet, except for those nightshades. Do the nightshade experiment. And what I ask is that you'll share all this information with your friends and family, that you will press the like button, make a comment below, and until next time, continue to learn, grow, and build health.